Look, it is an astronaut. The astronaut is floating in space. He is very happy. I am an athlete. I like to run on the track. Athlete. This is an author. An author is a person who writes books. The robot is an author. Look, it's a robot barber. He is happy. He is cutting hair now. Snip, snip. Good job, barber. This is the bus driver. He drives the bus. The bus is yellow. I am a butcher. I cut the sausages. Do you like sausages? A cashier works at the supermarket. The cashier scans the groceries. An apple, a banana, and an eggplant. I am a little chef. I am cooking yummy food. I put the carrot in the pot. Stir, stir. The dentist is checking the happy tooth. See the shiny tools. The dentist gives a thumbs up for a healthy smile. He is a little robot detective. He likes to look for clues. He uses his magnifying glass. This is the doctor. The doctor is using a stethoscope to listen to the girl's heart. It goes lub-dub. I am a farmer. I like to plant seeds. Planting seeds makes me happy. This is a firefighter. He is a little robot. The firefighter uses the water hose to put out the fire. The robot is a florist. It is putting a red rose and a yellow sunflower in a vase. The florist is happy. This is a gardener. The gardener is happy. He likes to water the flowers in the sun. This is a hairdresser. A hairdresser cuts and styles hair in a salon. This robot is a happy hairdresser. This is a journalist. A journalist reports the news on TV. He uses a microphone. This is the judge. The judge is happy. He is banging the gavel now. The word is lawyer. A lawyer wears a suit and carries a briefcase. This robot is a friendly lawyer. A librarian works in a library. This librarian is organizing books. Hello, I am a mechanic. I use a wrench to fix the car. I am happy to help. The robot is a musician. He is playing the guitar. He is happy. This is a nurse. The nurse is happy and checks the medical chart. This is a robot. He is a pharmacist. See the word pharmacist. He is organizing the medicine. This is a little robot. The robot is a photographer. He is taking a picture now. Look at the flash. I am the police. I help the cars. Stop. And go. This is the receptionist. Hello. Welcome to the hotel. This is a scientist. The scientist is mixing liquids. Blue and yellow make green. This is a singer. The robot is singing a happy song. This is a tailor. A tailor makes clothes. He is sewing a colorful quilt. Look at me. I am a teacher. T-E-A-C-H-E-R. Teacher. Look at the waiter. He is happy. He has a tray of food. Look, it is a zookeeper. The zookeeper gives the elephants food. The elephants like the food very much. This is an architect. An architect designs buildings. This is an artist. The artist is painting a picture. It is very colorful. This is a baker. The baker is making bread. First, the baker kneads the dough. Then the bread goes in the oven. This is an engineer. An engineer helps build things. He is looking at the plans.